If you've not been showing up on your Instagram reel because you do not have content ideas to post on your Instagram reels, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 25 plus content ideas that you can post on your Instagram reels and get massive views. My name is Jessica, and on this YouTube channel I share Instagram tips and tricks, content creation tips and tricks that can help you grow your personal brand and your business. If this is something you're interested in, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notification because I'll be posting videos every week. The first content idea I have for you is 2021 goals or plans. What are your 2021 goals and plans? Are they any way related to your business? Are they in any way related to your brand? Is this something that you feel like your audience are going to be interested in? Share those ones with them and you can get massive views, massive comments, and even shares. A lot of people want to find out if they have the same goals as you or they have different goals. This is a very good content idea for you. The number 2 content idea I have for you is this or that. If you are always on TikTok or reels, you already know that this or that is very trendy. It's something that is trendy now, and you can make massive views by doing that. You can relate it to your niche, relate it to your business, relate it to your, if you're a product-based business or you're a service-based business, there are definitely choices that you rather make than other choices. So relate this to your niche and get started. The number 3 content idea I have for you is for you to share tips about your business, tips about your brand, tips about your product that you feel like people will be interested in. Why are you sharing tips? Because everybody wants to learn about new things that they don't know about. If I'm scrolling through Instagram reels and I see 5 Instagram growth tips, I'm going to stop because I'm interested in growth tips. If I see 5 tips about how to get clients, I'm going to stop because I'm interested in how to get clients. That's how it is. If you have tips that you know that your audience or people will be interested in, you can share those tips and get views from that. The number 4 content idea I have for you is for you to share a tutorial. Teach your audience something. If your audience are interested in that particular tutorial, Instagram is going to push that reels and you will get more views, more reach, which will in turn to followers and get your business to grow. So if you've not started using reels because you didn't have content ideas, please keep watching because there are more content ideas for you. The number 5 content idea I have for you is for you to share how you come up with your content. How do you come up with your content? People want to find out how you come up with your content. So this is a very good content idea for you. If you're a content creator, you can share how you come up with content to share with your audience. If you're a business person, you can also share how you come up with content to share with your audience. These are what you can share on Instagram reels and get views. Another content idea I have for you is for you to share your favorite quotes. Why do you love these quotes? Is there anything special about these quotes that you want to share with your audience? Share your favorite quote. People love quotes because it gives them motivation and inspiration. So share quotes. Another content idea I have for you is for you to share mistakes. What are the mistakes you've made in your business? What are the mistakes you've made trying to grow your account? What are the mistakes you've made in your life? What are the mistakes you've made in the past 2 years? What are the mistakes you feel like people make and you want people to know about it and they shouldn't make such mistakes? People love to learn from people's mistakes. So if you are sharing mistakes, be rest assured that you are going to get massive views, massive reach, massive connections, massive following. Another content idea I have for you is for you to share your routine, your morning routine, your night routine, your content creation routine, your workout routine. People love to know about routine so that they can either adapt it or find out if it's something that they can work with or find out if it's something that they are already doing. So share your routine. People will definitely be interested in your routine. One thing I want you to know about these content ideas is the fact that if you are trying to get more reels, if you are trying to get more views on reels, you need to make your reels interesting. You need to make your reels interesting to watch. You need to hook them at the beginning of the reel. So it's not just by getting these content ideas, make sure that your reels are interesting to get someone to sit around and watch your 15 seconds to 30 seconds reels. Another content idea is for you to share hacks, different hacks relating to your niche that people do not know about. What do you do in relation to your niche that is easy for you to do and might be difficult for others to do? Share those hacks and people will be definitely interested. Another content idea I have for you is for you to use voiceovers. You already know what voiceovers are, and there are a lot of it from TikTok and on Reels. All you have to do is to lip sync with it, and then you can make interesting content using voiceovers. You can make content relating it to your niche, or you can make funny content. You do not have to always relate your content to your niche. At times you make interesting, funny content that can make your audience laugh and happy. It doesn't always have to be about you teaching them tips and tricks or hacks or tutorials. You can make interesting content using voiceovers. Another content idea I have for you is for you to share transition hacks. A lot of people, I included, are looking for transition hacks, how to create transitions for themselves. So if this is something that comes to you naturally, definitely jump on it and create different kinds of transition and how you achieve them. So if you are very good at creating transitions for your videos, definitely teach people how to do transitions and get views on their videos. Another very interesting content idea is for you to share your behind the scenes. How do you do these things behind the scenes? How do you get dressed behind the scenes? How do you create your content behind the scenes? How do you package your products behind the scenes? Get people to know you outside Instagram and get them to know you in reality. This is how it is. These are the difficulties that I encounter. Share those things on your reels. Another very interesting content idea is for you to share fun facts about you. You can share 5 fun facts, 10 fun facts, 3 fun facts about you, 3 fun facts about your business. These are already content that you might be sharing on your feed, but sharing it on your reels is also a very good way for you to create content on your reels. Another content idea I have for you is for you to share your top YouTube content creator, your top podcast, your top books. These are very relatable content that people want to know. Is if they've read those books, if they follow those YouTubers, or if they follow those podcasters. This is a very good way for you to get your audience to relate to you. Another content idea I have for you is for you to share secrets. What is that secret that you do not want people to know about? People love to hear secrets. So when they say 3 secrets about me, or when they see 3 secrets to growing your Instagram, or when they see 3 secrets to getting clients, what? Or when they see something like 3 secrets to get people to trust your business, just relate this to your niche, relate this to your business, and get people to stop and watch your videos. Another content idea I have for you, very interesting content idea, is for you to jump on any dance challenge. People love to stop and watch different dance challenge. Even if they've heard the song before, they will still stop to watch your own. So jump on a dance challenge. For instance, the one that's going around now is the slow motion dance. You can jump on that and do yours if you know how to dance. Even if you don't know how to dance, you can do yours and make it funny and get people to watch. Another content idea I have for you is for you to introduce yourself to your followers. Yes, they already know you, your name is Jessica, but you are gaining followers every day, and those people might not know what you do and how you help them. And that is why that is where sharing content about yourself comes in. Introduce yourself to your audience. What do you do? How do you help them? Those are the content ideas that you should share on your videos. The next content idea is for you to share the lessons that you've learned recently, the good, the bad, the ugly. share it with your audience. The lessons you've learned about your business, the lessons you've learned about yourself, the lessons you've learned from your friends, the lessons you've learned from your clients, the lessons you've learned from running business for a particular amount of time. These are the things that people want to know, and if you share this, you can get massive views and massive reach on your Instagram reels. Another content idea I have for you is for you to answer most asked questions concerning your business, or most asked questions concerning you, or most asked questions concerning your niche. These are what people want to know. If it's the most asked questions, people definitely want to know about it. So share content about those most asked questions, answer them. Another content idea I have for you is for you to share different ways that you style your photo, different ways that you style your outfit, different ways that you style yourself for your photo shoot. If this is something that you are interested, if this is something that you know how to do well, you can share that. Another content idea is for you to share what's on your phone. What are the apps on your phone? What are the apps that you use for your businesses, for your business? What are the apps that you use for your business? You can share that. You can share the top 5 apps on your phone. People want to know if they need that app or they don't need that app. You get more views from this. Another very interesting content idea is for you to share reality versus social media versus Instagram. People want to know. So you can create content like realities of your clients versus them on Instagram, reality of your business versus on Instagram, reality of content creation versus on Instagram, reality of you getting dressed versus on Instagram. People want to know this. How is it outside Instagram and how is it on Instagram? It's just a fun type of content that your audience will be interested in. The next content idea is for you to share 5 things that you wish you knew before you started your business. 5 things that you wish you knew before you started college. 5 things that you wish you knew before you bought your last phone. 5 things that you wish you knew before you started getting clients. 5 things that you wish you knew before you started YouTube. These are the things that people want to know for them not to make those same mistakes. There's a lot of things that you can share with just 15 seconds, and guess what? People will stop and watch. The most important thing is for you to catch their attention in the first few seconds to get them to watch your video, because the more views you get from your followers, the more Instagram is going to push your Instagram reel. Another content idea I have for you is for you to bust the myths in your industry. There are so many myths in different industries that needs to be busted. So if this is something that you feel like you have a contrary opinion as opposed to what is already on ground, you can make those videos and get people thinking, is she right or is he right? Those are the content ideas that you can share and get views. Content idea I have for you is for you to share your why. Why are you on Instagram? Why did you start this page? Why are you trying to grow your personal brand? Why are you starting this business? People want to know why, and why is going to get them to feel more connected to you. So share your why as a part of your content on Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.